Hey, welcome back to DIY with Dave. My wife had a really great idea for a new project for our house. We're taking this space here that's used for the TV, we're transforming it into something amazing. Here's the before picture, and here's the after picture. Now, one of the important things with a project like this is making sure that you can actually hide the cables that are involved, because if those cables are showing, it destroys the magic, right? Magic. Destroys the whole vibe of having a piece of art on your wall. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how I use this kind of interesting product to really manage those cables and hide those cables so that this TV space looks really incredible. So this product is from a company called ECHOGEAR. This is not a sponsored video, it's just something I thought was pretty cool. The outlet looks just like this. It has kind of this rubber grommet that sits over top of it, which you just undo and pull out here from these little clips here. So you're going to screw a hole in the wall, attach this into the wall, and once that's done, you put that on top of it, fish your cords through these holes, and that's it. One of the cool things they included as part of the kit is this hole saw, so you don't have to buy one yourself. It's really simple to put together. You just fish the drill bit through there, get it to line up, and then screw on the back until it's tight. The first step is determining exactly where to drill the holes. You want the top hole behind the TV so it's hidden, and the second hole to be lower by the devices that you need to plug into, also hidden behind furniture. I also use a stud finder to make sure that the holes are between two studs. Cutting the hole with the hole saw they provided is simple. I went slowly to make sure that I didn't damage the wallpaper. From there, I install the plastic bit and screw it into the wall until it's secure. Time to do the same for the second hole. The next step is to fish the wires through. This step may be really simple, but depending upon what you have in your wall, there could be some obstacles that may cause you some difficulty, and you may need some fish tape or fish sticks to be able to get the wires through. The last step is to install the rubber covers. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.